Now we're gonna upgrade his horn. So we're gonna remove this horn and put in the Denali horn. Easily bolt on, done in minutes. So let me take this off, 13mm bolt, and bolt on the new horn. So I removed the horn from here, off the bracket that I took off from there. I could use the same nut on the new horn. It's gonna go in there. Then we're gonna bolt it right back to the bike. Got that new horn in. Let's give it a test. Reach over here. Loud enough. Let's get the hood on. Got the hood on. Horn fits perfectly inside.